Hello, 'tis Mistress Rayment here, Jennifer by name, and I'm going to take you through how you do the truly, totally tucked up band. And you try saying that if you're feeling a bit tired. You have to get your glottal stopping absolutely precise. The totally, truly tucked up band is not wholly my idea. It actually came from a Victorian book on how you fold ribbon. I've used it as an embellishment on this small sort of quiltlet. There's no reason why it can't be used as a choker. You could make it in velvet. You can make it out of any fabric you like. It works a treat in velvet. It works a treat in satin. You could use it as an embellishment, say around a lampshade, because you can buy ribbon and just make it by the yard. And indeed, it can work remarkably well as literally a trim for a lampshade, a curtain, go on your quilt. You could make straps for your fancy frock out of it.